Healthy living with disabilities. Have you ever considered the unique challenges and triumphs of individuals living with disabilities and how they can lead fulfilling and healthy lives? The journey to well-being is a universal one, but for those with disabilities, it often involves navigating a landscape that presents distinctive hurdles and opportunities. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy living with disabilities, we delve into the world of adaptive strategies, resilience, and the empowerment of individuals who are determined to lead healthy and fulfilling lives despite physical, sensory, or cognitive impairments. Get ready to embark on a journey that celebrates the strength and ingenuity of those living with disabilities, leaving you curious about how they overcome obstacles to achieve holistic well-being. 1. The path to inclusive well-being. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the diverse challenges faced by individuals living with disabilities, emphasizing that health and wellness are universal desires. 2. Redefining health and wellness. Health and wellness are not one-size-fits-all concepts. We'll delve into how the perception of well-being differs for individuals with disabilities and how it's redefined based on their unique needs. 3. Adaptive strategies. Living with a disability often requires adaptability. We'll explore the creative and adaptive strategies that individuals use to maintain a healthy lifestyle. 4. Mental and emotional resilience. Resilience plays a vital role in health. We'll discuss the mental and emotional resilience that individuals with disabilities develop and how it contributes to their well-being. 5. Inclusive nutrition. Proper nutrition is crucial for everyone. We'll highlight the importance of inclusive nutrition practices that cater to various dietary needs and restrictions. 6. Physical activity and mobility. Physical activity is integral to health. We'll explore how individuals with disabilities engage in physical activities that suit their mobility, such as adaptive sports and exercise routines. 7. Support systems and empowerment. Community and support systems are essential. We'll discuss the importance of empowerment, advocacy, and supportive networks in the lives of those with disabilities. 8. The journey of strength and resilience. In conclusion, healthy living with disabilities is a testament to the fact that health knows no bounds, and disability doesn't define one's ability to lead a fulfilling and healthy life. It's not just about the challenges, it's about the remarkable journey of strength and resilience. As we embark on this journey into the world of healthy living with disabilities, you'll discover the indomitable spirit of individuals who face unique challenges. It's a journey of embracing diversity, promoting inclusion, and celebrating the human spirit's ability to overcome, adapt, and thrive in the pursuit of holistic well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.